How to fix app not installed error on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to fix your application not correctly installed error on Android. So if you're also trying to download any application from the Play Store or any other platform such as website and you face your download error option, so that might be issue regarding your Google storage or your phone storage itself. So first thing first, just head over to your settings and make sure you have enough storage available. So you can basically search in for your storage by simply searching from the search bar directly, and once inside your storage, make sure you have enough storage. And if you don't have enough storage, you can always head over to your unused applications or duplicate or large files and reviewing some of your old files which might be causing some issue regarding your space, overuse of space. So once you make sure of that, once you clean your storage, just check your Android version. That is, if you are still facing your issue regarding your download of application, so just head over to your settings and click on software update just like this, and make sure you have updated your application to its latest version from over here, so that it will fix any bugs available on your application, which might be one of the reasons causing your application not install error. And you also have to allow the unknown sources, that is enable installation from settings. So to do that, you can simply search in for install unknown apps. So you can just head over to that option over here and simply click on that and make sure you have enabled for all the application which you might be having issue on. Once you do all of that, your issues regarding the application not installed error on Android should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.